Good morning, children. Welcome back in your English class, and I hope that you all are fit and fine, feeling happy and healthy, and also you're watching video. And children, in previous video, I told you to watch the video, and please watch the video thoroughly. And also, after watching the video, read your chapter, read your paragraphs, whatever I am explaining in the video. So children, let's start today's lecture. As you know that we have started the first chapter of the supplementary from your snapshots portion, that is the summer of the white beautiful horse. We have started this chapter and we have completed the explanation of the paragraphs. Some of the paragraphs we have already completed. The explanation of the sum of the paragraphs we have already completed. So children, but in today's lectures we will continue this chapter and we will finish the chapter in today's lecture. So we will continue and we are going to study, we are going to explain, and I am going to explain the left paragraphs of this chapter one by one, and I hope so that we will complete this chapter in today's lecture. So let's start the explanation of the today's lecture. In today's lecture, the explanation of the chapter, that is the summer of the white beautiful horse. Let's start the explanation of the paragraph one by one. And children, we have completed up to that paragraph in which the John replied to Khosrow that he would not bother as he lives in city, but his country was no good without his horse. And then Khosrow shouted that he must not pay any attention to it. Then again John told him that he walked down 10 miles to come here. Then Khosrow again shouted that he has legs to which. Then John said his left leg hurt. Then Khosrow again tried to shut him. How? By saying that he should not pay any attention to it. Then John informed him the horse cost him $60. Then Khosrow said that he would spit on that type of money. Then after which John got up and went away, slamming the door. Then Aram's mother came and he told him that John had a very gentle heart and he was homesick, and that is why, and he was such a large man. Then we have left children. We have left that paragraph. This paragraph we have come up to this paragraph we have completed, in which there was a hot conversation between John and John Rowan, Aram's and Maud's uncle, that is the Khosrow. So we will continue this chapter, and I'm sure that today we will complete this story. So let's continue. Let's read the paragraph. The next paragraph: it will take you later to learn to ride, my cousin Maud said. We could keep the horse a year, I said. My cousin Maud leaped to his feet. What? He roared. Are you inviting a member of the Gorgalian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner. When? I said. In 6 months at least, he said. Then he threw the bird into the air. The bird tried hard, almost fell twice, but at last flew away, high and straight. And then, early every morning for 2 weeks, my cousin Maud and I took the horse out of the barn of the deserted vineyard where we were hiding it and rode it. And every morning the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over grapevines and small trees and threw me and ran away. Nevertheless, I hoped in time to learn to ride the way my cousin Maud rode. One morning, on the way to fugitive in deserted vineyard, I ran into the farmer John Brough, who was on his way to town. Let me do the talking, my cousin Maud said. I have a way with farmers. Now, what happened in this paragraph? What happened, children? In this paragraph, the Maud told Aram what? The Maud told Aram that it will take time, a whole year, to learn to ride a horse. तो उसने कहा ना कि घुड़सवारी सीखने में, जो राइड करने में जो है वो उसे 1 ईयर लगा. Then Aram said that they could keep him for a year. Then Maud stood up on his feet and shouted at him about encouraging him to be thief in spite of being a member of the Gorgonian family. मतलब उसके जो मॉड ने कहा कि तुम्हें घोड़ेसवारी राइड सीखने में पूरे 1 ईयर लगेगा. तब एरम ने कहा कि मैं घोड़े को 1 वर्ष तक जो है, तब उसने क्या किया कि आई शुड कीप द हॉर्स ए ईयर. तब एरम ने कहा कि मैं उसे 1 वर्ष और रख सकता हूँ. तब मॉड रिप्लाइड. देन मॉड से व्हाट ही रोट. द मॉड बिकेम एंग्री. मॉड वो एंग्री हो गया और उसने कहा कि वो बहुत ही कूद करके एंड ही लीप टू हिज फीट. वो कूद कर अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हो गया और वो रोड यानी उसने दहाड़ा. आर यू इन्वाइटिंग द मेंबर ऑफ द गॉर्गेलियन फैमिली टू स्टील. उसने बहुत गुस्से में कहा क्या तुम गॉर्गेलियन परिवार के एक सदस्य को चोरी करने के लिए आमंत्रित कर रहे हो. यू आर इन्वाइटिंग द फैमिली, यू आर इन्वाइटिंग द मेंबर टू बिकम अ थीफ. गॉर्गेलियन फैमिली, जो कि मैंने आपको इससे पहले बताया कि दैट गॉर्गेलियन ट्राइब वॉज नोन फॉर इज ऑनेस्टी एंड ट्रस्ट. तो इसलिए उसने कहा कि बहुत गुस्से से मॉड ने एरम से कहा आर यू इन्वाइटिंग द मेंबर, आर यू इन्वाइटिंग द गॉर्गेलियन मेंबर टू बिकम अ थीफ, to become a thief and encouraging him to be a thief in spite of being a member of Gorgonian family. Then what happened next? फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Then फिर इसके बाद he declared that the horse should go to his own owner. उसने कहा घोड़ा जो है वो अपने मालिक के पास उसको अब ज़रूर जाना चाहिए. He threw the bird into the air. And then what happened? उसने कहा कि फिर एरम ने उससे पूछा. Then again Aram asked, when would they have to return the horse, to which Maud said in 6 month. तब उसने कहा कि हमें कब वापस करना चाहिए. तब उसके मॉड ने कहा कि हमें जो है वो, उसने कहा कि कम से कम 6 मंथ में. सो मॉड एरम अगेन आस्क्ड कि when they would have to return the horse, to which Maud said what, कि in 6 month. Then next he threw the bird into the air. तो उसने क्या किया? He threw the bird into the air and it almost fell twice but flew at last. जो उसने रॉबिन बर्ड को जो वो नरिश कर रहा था, जो उसको उसको जो विंग्स को, जो उसके हर्ट विंग थी, जो उसकी रॉबिन बर्ड की जो चोट खाई जो विंग थी, उसको वो क्या कर रहा था? रिपेयर कर रहा था. So when he got repaired, when the wings of the robin bird got repaired, then he threw the bird into the air and it almost fell twice but flew at last. तो उसने क्या किया कि then what Maud had done, उसने जो है उसने पक्षी को हवा में उड़ाया और जो बर्ड था वो बहुत ही ट्राई कर रहा था, बहुत एफर्ट कर रहा था कि ताकि वो उड़ जाए. वो दोबारा गिरा, लेकिन लास्ट में क्या हुआ? इट फ्लू अवे. देन फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 weeks, सी यहाँ पे every morning early every morning for 2 weeks, यानी for the next 2 weeks क्या हुआ? what happened? Maud and I took, यानी Maud and Aram, they both would take the horse out of the barn and ride it. वो रोज़ जो है वो फिर इसके बाद वो उन्होंने क्या किया, जल्दी सुबह उठकर 2 हफ्ता जो है 2 वीक जो है एरम और मॉड जो है वो वाइन वार्ड से लेकर वहाँ से आते थे हॉर्स को और वो उन्हें उस पर राइड करते थे. एंड देन व्हाट हैपन? एंड रन अवे whenever they tried to ride it. And then he still hoped, but leaped over and Maud and took the horse. And then every morning when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over grapes, vines and small trees. Now what happened? But every morning the horse would throw Aram and run away whenever he tried to ride it. लेकिन जब कभी एरम उसको अकेले में लेकर जाता घुड़सवारी करने, तो वो क्या करता? वो जो है अंगूरों की बेलों पे, यानी अंगूर के जो क्रीपर्स थे उस पर वो छलांग लगाता और छोटे छोटे पेड़ों पे छलांग लगाता था. और फिर एरम को वो एकदम से सडनली जो है वो उसको क्या करता था कि the horse would throw Aram and ran away whenever he tried to ride it. Then what happened? He still hoped, but Aram still hoped in time. लेकिन he still hoped he would learn to ride the way my cousin Maud, the way his cousin did. लेकिन उसे पूरा यकीन था, पूरा बिलीव था कि मैं एक दिन अपने भाई जैसे ज़रूर एक दिन घोड़सवारी सीख जाऊंगा. But he still hoped that he would learn to ride the horse the way his cousin Maud did. Now, next, what happened? Then one morning, on the way to fugitive and deserted vineyard, one day on the way to the deserted vineyard, what happened? To ride the horse again. एक बार जब वो जो एक बार क्या हुआ कि जब सुबह सुबह जब वो फैटिजन की वाइन वॉर्ड से वो जा रहे थे, और देन व्हाट हैपन, वी रन इनटू द फार्मर जॉन ब्रो वाज ऑन हिज वे टू टाउन. What happened? When one early morning, on the way to the deserted vineyard to hide the horse again, then what happened? Hide the horse again, what happened? Deserted, what happened? Then they met John Bro. One day in the early morning, on the way to deserted vineyard, then what happened? On one morning, on the way of the deserted vineyard, what happened? They still hide the horse, and they were trying to hide the horse. Then they met John Bro. And then they met John Bro. And then what happened? Then they said to the John Bro, who was on his way to town. Now, one morning on the way to the Fettuccine deserted vineyard, what happened? They were trying to hide the horse, and they met John Bro, who was on his way to town. Then let me do talking. My cousin Maud said, I have a way with farmers. Now say that. Now what Maud said there? Maud said, please don't go away. And Maud insisted on talking to him as he had a way with farmers. उसने क्या किया? उसने कहा कि नहीं रुको, मुझे बात करना है. और जब एक जगह सुबह जब फैक्सवेन के जब बिल्कुल डेजर्टेड वाइन वार्ड से जब वो हॉर्स को लेके जाते वो छुपाने जा रहे थे, तब उन्हें वो जॉन ब्रो किसान जो थे वो मिले, और वो जो कहीं जा रहे थे, टाउन में जा रहे थे. तब मॉड ने कहा कि नहीं, आई हैव टू टॉक टू हिम, मुझे उनसे बात करनी है, और मैं किसानों के बिहेवियर को अच्छी तरीके से जानता हूँ. सो द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ चिल्ड्रन. Now, here say, good morning, John Bro, my cousin Maud said to the farmer. Now, the farmer studied the horse eagerly. And then, good morning, the son of my friends, he said, what is the name of your horse? My heart, my cousin Maud said in Armenian. A lovely name, John Bro said, for a lovely horse. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. May I look into his mouth? Of course, Maud said. The farmers looked into the mouth of the horse, tooth for tooth, he said. I would swear it is my horse. If I did not know your parents, the fame of your family for honesty is well known to me. Yet the horse is the twin of my horse. A suspicious man would believe his eyes. Then what happened? Believe his eyes instead of his heart. Good day, my young friends. Now, children, now in this paragraph, what author is saying that Maud wished him good morning. Maud wished him good morning, John Bro, and John Bro saw the horse carefully. Now Bro wished him back and then asked the name of the horse. Then Maud said, my heart. What Maud told? That the name of the horse is my heart. In Armenian language, Maud told him that the name of the horse is my heart. Then Bro complimented. Bro became very happy to hear the name, that you have such a beautiful name, your horse has such a beautiful name. So Bro complimented that it was a lovely name, and that it was a lovely name for a lovely horse. Then but John Bro became alert. He swore that it was his horse. He became confirmed. Now he was confirmed that it was his horse that was stolen week ago. Then he asked if he could look into his mouth. उसने कहा कि क्या मैं इसका उस जॉन ब्रो को, जब उसने जॉन ब्रो ने उससे पूछा कि ये मॉड ने कहा कि जॉन ब्रो ने क्या नाम है इसके हॉर्स का, देन मॉड ने कहा कि माय हार्ट. तो ब्रो जो है वो बहुत ही खुश हुए और उन्हें बहुत खुशी से कहा कि इट वॉज अ लवली नेम फॉर अ लवली हॉर्स. लेकिन उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि मैं बिल्कुल श्योर हूँ कि इट वॉज़ माई हॉर्स, ये मेरा हॉर्स है जो कि कुछ हफ्ते पहले जो है वो गायब हो चुका था या चोरी हो गया था। तो उसने क्या किया, टू मेक हिम मोर कन्फर्म, उन्होंने क्या किया, अपने आप को और कंफर्म करने के लिए ही आस्क्ड इफ़ ही कुड लुक इनटू हिज माउथ, उसने कहा क्या मैं उसके माउथ में देख सकता हूँ। Then he said, Maud said, the horse was a twin. After looking from tooth to tooth, तो उसने देखा कि जब उसने देखा तो उसने फ़ौरन Bro said, it said that it was his horse. If he did not know his parents, ने कहा कि ये मेरा horse है, और अगर उसके if he did not know his parents, he said the horse was a twin of his horse. Then what happened? He further said that his family is all for honesty. उसने उसे याद दिलाया. John Bro reminded Maud that his family was known for honesty and trust. And you have done this type of act. You have brought your family shame. So he said that, he further said that his family is for your honesty. So, but the horse looks just like one he lost. लेकिन वो horse उसी तरह लग रहा था जैसा कि horse उसने खोया था. So a man who is suspicious could easily believe his eyes and not his heart. And he wished them and went away. और फिर इसके बाद जो है उसको अपनी आँखों पे जो है इजीली उसने अपने दिल की बात नहीं मानी, उसको अपनी आँखों पे पूरा विश्वास था कि that horse was his only. फिर इसके बाद जो है now children, let's move to the next paragraph. So here the last paragraph of your story is, good day John Bro, my cousin Maud said. Early the following morning we took the horse to John Bro's vineyard and put it in the barn. The dogs followed us around without making a sound. The dogs, I whispered to my cousin Maud, I thought they would bark. They would at somebody else, he said. I have a way with dogs. My cousin Maud put his arms around the horse, pressed his nose into the horse's nose, and then patted it and then went away. That afternoon, John Bro came to our house in a surrey and showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and returned. I do not know what to think, he said. And then the horse is stronger than ever, better tempered. Do I thank God? My uncle Khusroho, who was in the parlor, became irritated and shouted, Quiet man, quiet. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it. Now what in this paragraph, in this last paragraph of the chapter lesson, the author says that Maud also wished him back, and the next morning what happened, they took the horse back to the John Bro vineyard and put it in his barn. Then what happened there, the dogs followed them. The dogs were there and they followed them around without making any sound. Then Maud replied that they would not bark at them since he had a way with dogs. Then Maud the Maud was saying that he had a way with dogs. Then Maud put his arms around the horse, then pressed the nose into the horse's nose. He patted him and then they went away. But at the same afternoon, in the same afternoon, what happened? John Bro came to Aram's house, and John Bro came to Aram's house and in his surrey and showed his mother his horse that returned. और उसने उसके मदर को दिखाया कि उसको घोड़ा वापस मिल गया है. And what he said? He said that he did not know what to think, as the horse is much stronger now with a better temper. उसने कहा कि मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि मैं क्या कहूँ, क्योंकि हॉर्स पहले से भी ज़्यादा जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्गर हो गया है और बहुत अच्छा इसका बिहेवियर या नेचर हो गया है. So he thanked God. At last what John Bro did, he thanked God. And Uncle Khusroho, then he also, who was in the parlor, he was sitting in one place of the house, and then he again shouted and irritated and said that in a very aggressive way, keep quiet man, keep quiet. Your horse has been returned. Now please pay no attention to it. फिर क्या हुआ इस बच्चों कि जो मॉड ने क्या कहा कि उसने जो है वो उसने उसको विश किया, और अगले ही दिन से जब घोड़े को उसने जॉन ब्रो के वायनाड में ले गए और वहाँ उनको जो बांध था, जो जहाँ पे एनिमल्स रहते हैं, पशुशाला जिसे हिंदी में कहते हैं, वहाँ पे उन्होंने उसको बांध दिया। वहाँ पे क्या था कि द डॉग्स फॉलोड, स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग, डॉग्स जो थे उनका पीछा करने लगे, वो बाग करने लगे। तो फिर जॉन और मॉड और एरम ने जो है दोनों ने ही जो है वो जो कानों में उन्होंने कहा, मॉड ने कहा, एरम ने कानों में मॉड के कहा कि वो जो है क्यों, वाई दे आर फॉलोइंग अस, देयर डॉग्स आर फॉलोइंग अस। तो उसने कहा कि कोई बात नहीं, मॉड ने कहा कि डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, एंड द डॉग ही हैड अ वे विथ डॉग्स, वो डॉग्स को कंट्रोल करना जानता है। देन व्हाट हैपन, एरम का जो कज़न था मॉड था, उसने घोड़े के गले में चारों तरफ पैट किया और उसने बाँह डाली। एंड देन व्हाट हैपन, उसने अपनी नाक को घोड़े की नाक से थोड़ा सा प्रेस किया और उसको थपथपाया, पैटेड किया, और वहाँ से दे वेंट अवे, एंड देन दे वेंट अवे। फिर दैट आफ्टरनून, उसी दोपहर में जॉन ब्रो जो है वो अपनी घोड़ा गाड़ी से वो एरम के घर आए, एंड देन ही शोड व्हाट, दैट ही शोड माई मदर द हॉर्स दैट ही हैड स्टोलन एंड रिटर्न। तो उन्होंने वो घोड़ा दिखाया एरम की माँ को, जिसको चुरा लिया गया था और फिर उसको वापस मिल गया। बट एट द सेम टाइम व्हाट ही सेड दैट आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू थिंक, मुझे नहीं जानता मुझे क्या सोचूं, बिकॉज द हॉर्स इज़ मच स्ट्रॉन्गर देन एवर। घोड़ा पहले से भी ताकतवर हो गया है और नेचर और बिहेवियर में और अच्छा बेटर हो गया है, यानी दैट नाउ विथ अ बेटर टेम्पर। और देन ही थैंक गॉड, एंड उसने गॉड को थैंक किया। एंड देन अगेन हिज अंकल खॉस्रो was sitting in a corner of the parlor, in the corner of the house, in the parlor. Parlor, I told you that a sitting place in a house. तो उसने बहुत ज़ोर से ही became irritated and he became angry, and then he shouted again, quiet man, and quiet man, keep quiet and your horse has been returned. अब तुम्हारा घोड़ा तुम्हें वापस मिल गया है, अब इसको ध्यान मत दो, यानी pay no attention to it. So children, we will stop here, and we have completed this chapter, we have completed this chapter, and we have completed all the portion of the chapter. We have completed a summary, we have completed the explanation of the paragraphs. So I will send the question answer through PDF to you, and please, I kindly request you to watch the video. Please watch the video, and after watching the video, please read the story also. So take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye.